guys, it's Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. So the last unboxing I have for a while is the AirPods Pro 2. It's been quite hectic for me to get all those unboxings out and everything. So this will be my last one from the Apple release. I did used to have the AirPods Pro 1st gen, but I didn't like it because of the ear tips. So I do know what they sound like. I can make slight comparisons between the two. For my regular use, I do use the AirPods 3, which were the most recent release before the AirPods Pro 2. These are basically similar sound quality, but they just don't have noise cancellation, and as you can see, they don't have the ear tips, so this is why I like them. However, I do miss the noise cancellations on these ones, and the box looks very much the same. I'm surprised they didn't put AirPods 2 on here, because you know, when your parents are getting you a present for Christmas or something, they'll just grab the AirPods Pro without knowing which gen it is. Really read the back of it to make sure it's actually the newest AirPods. Let's just unbox the AirPods Pro 2 and AirPods Pro. We did slightly get a change with the AirPods case, charging case. So, ooh, fresh AirPods over here. Straight off the bat, I do see we have some speaker here. At least we do get the charging port still, because I know that you can charge the AirPods now with your watch charger. On the side, this is pretty cool. We do have like a lanyard slot, so you can attach like a string or anything to it, so that you can just hang it and make sure it doesn't slip out of your pocket. In the box, we do get a cable and the ear tips. So there we have the extra small. So they look, the size comparisons are, they do look like there is a difference in between. And in the actual AirPods inside, there will be a medium size. And even my watch is telling me go pair it up right now. Okay, and we have them extra small ear tips on. Like, they look so long. We should see right now if it's going to fit in my ear. I do have I'm not sure what this piercing is called on this side, so it's quite harder for me to like actually put AirPods in. Ooh, this is very comfortable. Wow. Okay, and the other one? Yeah, these actually fit my ears so well. So the improvements we have in the AirPods Pro 2 are the active noise cancellation has been amped up to twice as much, so there is less environmental noise. There has been no changes to the length of the stem. So I'm just wondering, did you guys want to see the AirPods having slightly shorter stem and more colors? Like, I'm not sure why we are not getting any colors. And I think the reason for keeping the same length of the stem is for the touch control. So it's gentle to your touch, so you can easily turn it up or down from this side or this side. Alright, turn it down now. And when I make the Notion, here on the AirPods, there's like a button sound. So if I touch it by mistake, I will know. It's like a toot, toot. There is a personalized spatial audio, but that's with the updates. This can also work with the 1st gen now. This works with the true depth camera on your iPhone to create a custom profile based on your head's geometry, your ear shape, so that to make sure when you're listening to music and the spatial audio is on, you are getting the best experience with the spatial audio. So you'll hear music from behind you when you're turning your head slightly. Through a bit of noise and wind right now, just to see how the sound quality is while I'm talking. And there is a custom built driver and amplifier that works with the H2 chip to provide low distortion, deeper bass, crisp and clear high notes. So there is an adaptive transparency mode. So if I'm walking across a construction, it will blur out basically the construction going on in the background, and I can listen to my music peacefully without hearing all that rumble. Battery has improved. This is a good moment for us because I hate charging my AirPods. So we have 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation enabled, which is 1.5 hours longer than the AirPods Pro 1st gen. And with the new charging case, the new AirPods Pro can get up to 30 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation, which is 6 hours more than the previous gen. Take that in, because I think you need to upgrade. And the redesigned MagSafe case with the speakers actually have a purpose. This will help you find the case with the Find My feature. It will play a sound. But there is something I read which interested me, because there was a comment that said, and we need to see the sound quality from iPhones before iPhone 14 Pro. As not everyone upgraded the phone this year, I will put that to the test. However, I do have the iPhone 11 Pro, so it's a little bit, it's not the 12 or the 13, so it might be even older for these new AirPods, but I will switch it in between the 14 Pro and the 11 Pro. There is in fact a difference. It's not much, but I feel like the sound quality was basically the same with the AirPods 1st gen when using the iPhone 11 Pro, because I don't hear the bass as loud as I did with the iPhone 14 Pro. The sound isn't as crisp, so where there's like a guitar, I heard the strings more in the 14 Pro, and with this one I can't really hear it as much. It's just very, like, the sound's very together. So overall I am satisfied with the AirPods Pro 2. I don't think the Find My feature for this with the speakers is quite necessary for me, because I think I lose, well, I can't find the actual AirPods more than I can't find the case. I did slightly see a difference with the sound being a bit more crisper. However, not much difference there, to be honest with you. The noise cancellation, however, was great, so I do see an improvement there. So for people that do love upgrades with their noise cancellation, then this is definitely worth something to upgrade for. But I must say, the extra small ear tips have surprised me. I didn't experience any sort of discomfort. They really fit like a glove right now, so I am really happy that Apple has decided to fit in the extra small ear tips, because I feel like a lot of people have went for the AirPods 3 because the AirPods Pro didn't fit them before. So if you do have an older iPhone, I feel like it will slightly affect your use. But again, I do have the iPhone 11 Pro, so that is way older iPhone compared to the 12 or the 13, so it might be different for those. So do let me know if you have experienced this. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.